TimeHero plans your day-to-day tasks, your recurring tasks, and your projects, all around your meetings and other plans. It can help you plan out what to do when, and it can help your whole team plan out dozens of complex projects all at the same time. Let's do a walkthrough of what a typical day in TimeHero looks like. First, TimeHero makes it easy to know what's going on. From your notifications bell, you can catch up on any tasks that were completed, respond to any comments on tasks, and check whether any tasks are at risk and need to be rescheduled or reassigned. Back at TimeHero's home screen, you can see upcoming tasks that are due soon, and the status of either recent projects or starred projects, so you get instant insights on the progress of work that you care about. To the left, you can see the work TimeHero has planned for you today. This includes any scheduled events in your Google or Outlook calendar, plus the most important work that needs to get done. TimeHero compares all of your work and looks at things like how long tasks take, when it's due, what the priority is, any links to other tasks, and more to build a plan that is always up to date. You can expand this to show your upcoming week to see what TimeHero has planned for the next few days, and adjust your schedule if you need to by changing the priority and due date of tasks, or by dragging and dropping the tasks to pin them. You can easily check what TimeHero has planned for the rest of your team using the Show Team option up here to make sure everyone's got the right priorities. You could also check TimeHero's workload report, which shows which projects each team member is working on for the next couple of weeks. Looks like this project is starting too soon. Let's go into the project and change the start date. TimeHero reschedules all of your team's work in this project according to the new start date. Here's how to use TimeHero to turn your static to-do list into an actionable plan in minutes. A quick place to add work is in your inbox. This is like a catch-all place to add stuff you have to do, where you can complete it or organize it later. When you add a task, TimeHero can add it to your plan if you add just a few details, like roughly how long you estimate the task will take, and when you ideally want to get it done by. You can see that just by typing for 1 hour by Friday, TimeHero has detected when I mean. When I add the task, TimeHero compares it to my other tasks and builds a plan for me in the TimeHero calendar. I can add more tasks using natural language to control when TimeHero plans them, like this. Analytics report for 1 hour, start Monday, due Wednesday, and that's a high priority. Get back to Sue for 20 minutes by next Friday. Draft website design for 2 hours, start tomorrow, due next Monday. TimeHero syncs events in from your Google or Outlook calendars. Then adjust your work hours here to give TimeHero an accurate time frame to plan your work each day. Now you've got an accurate, actionable plan for what to work on in the next few days, all in less than 5 minutes. Got something you want to remember to do on a regular basis? Add a repeating task and your TimeHero plan will keep you on track. Now that you've got the basics down, it's time to get organized. In TimeHero, tasks live in projects, and using projects, you can control when tasks schedule. Add links to tasks for even more control of when TimeHero plans your work, and make sure work gets done in the right order. Link to events as anchor points in your project to easily adjust the project schedule. You can easily make changes to tasks and use custom columns to track work by whatever metric you want. You can add important notes, websites, or files to the Project Details tab to keep everything organized and in one place. Switch to Board View to visualize your project in different ways and easily change the assignee, priority, and more. Even your custom column values. Okay, so now that you're organized, it's time to optimize. Every business has processes, whether it's for hiring a new employee, walking a potential client through a sales process, or steps for getting your work done, like building a new website or planning an event. TimeHero makes it easy to capture these processes in templates and use those templates to create new projects in seconds, where everything is not only assigned to the right person with all the right details and in the right order with no steps missed, but it's also instantly planned out in everyone's calendar. Templates are a super powerful way to keep you and your team on the same page and to consistently deliver high-quality work. Why keep all this power to yourself? Invite your teammates to TimeHero to collaborate on work, keep everything in one place, and get better insight into what everyone's working on. Just mention a teammate to assign them a task, and it won't sit in a list or their email inbox waiting to be seen. The task gets instantly planned in your teammate's calendar alongside the rest of their work, so you know roughly when it will get done, and TimeHero keeps your teammates accountable and on track. Collaborate on work within a task's activity feed, where you can mention teammates in comments and upload files. Chatting here keeps the conversation focused on the work that's being done and saves hours of time hunting down emails or chat messages to find lost files or remember what someone said. Because whenever you get around to working on the task, everything's right here. You can even invite people outside your team to join projects as guests. This is perfect for keeping a client informed about the status of a project, or working with someone in another department, or working with a contractor. Guests only see the tasks you want them to see, and they can still be assigned tasks and talk with your team in the activity feed. Let's face it, no one likes putting together reports. So, TimeHero does it for you. TimeHero gives you the power of automated reports that are far more accurate than any other platform. TimeHero uses your team's plan to generate forecasted Gantt charts for when work will get done, so you can see if a project is off track before it happens. As you and your team complete work, time gets logged in a timesheet automatically. No more email and calendar archaeology to figure out what you did and when. TimeHero's workload report lets you see how busy you and your team members are, so you can see who needs more work and who's overloaded. You can also dive deeper into what your team are working on in TimeHero's Team Plan Manager and fine-tune their plan to make sure they're always working on the top priorities. I'm going to leave you with some pro tips to get the most out of TimeHero. First up, integrations. TimeHero connects to the tools you use, like Slack, where you can create new TimeHero tasks from messages directly from within Slack. Use Zapier to bring the power of TimeHero to almost any other tool you use, like creating tasks from Evernote, Salesforce, Gmail, Typeform, and more. Connect TimeHero to whatever apps generate work for you, and you can keep your plan in TimeHero up to date effortlessly. Looking for something in TimeHero? Use keyboard shortcuts to quickly get to different places in TimeHero, and to add new tasks without leaving your keyboard. You can filter your work in the Tasks tab to drill down into tasks that might need your attention, or to quickly prioritize your work. Lastly, if you have any questions, reach out to us using our in-app chat. We love to hear from folks using TimeHero, and there's no such thing as a dumb question. Stop working the manual way and let TimeHero help you and your team build an optimized plan to get work done better and faster than before, with automated insights to make better decisions and keep everyone on the same page.